welcome. Ooh, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while, you know, I've just been focusing on other things in my life right now that's kind of been like really occupying my time. But today, hey, look, I'm back. Today's video is going to be pretty different and interesting. I'm excited. So I'm going to be recreating a look that Alissa Ashley did. This particular look, actually, I know I have it on my laptop because I'm recording on my phone currently, so I'm just going to be using it as like reference while I'm just doing my makeup, trying to create this look because it's fire. Miss Alissa, you are fire, honey. Okay, you're fire. I already did my base and everything, so now I'm just going to do my eyelashes and my lip. All these products are within my tax bracket because I don't have big money. So yeah, I'll try to list all the products that I use in the description box. And also guys, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And also follow me on social media. I'll have my social media in the description box. Like, follow me. I'm mainly on Instagram, so if you want to keep updated with me, that's where I'll be. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So you already know I'm taking my favorite palette, Take Me Back to Brazil by BH Cosmetics. It's pretty affordable. Sorry if I look over here and then look here. My mirror is here and my laptop is there. So I'm going to be looking here for reference at Alissa. So we're just going to take this purple shade right here. No, we're going to take the second to the bottom right. Work outward. I'm hoping, I'll probably zoom in for you guys. I'm just hoping my look comes out as bomb as Alissa's, because yes, just be serving. I'm probably going to speed this part up because, I don't know, I'll just speed it up, and then I guess I'll come back when I have to explain something else. Cool? Cool. Now we're going to take that bottom right shade, the very bottom one, and work that in the lid part right here. From what I see, I feel like she only used like 2, maybe 3 types of purple. I'm not really sure, but we're going to try it out. Wait, did I just... I messed up. Or did I? No. Wait, what is going on today? I just hope I make you proud, sis. I hope I make you proud. Oh, I forgot to put powder under my eye. Damn. Now I'm going to blend those together so it looks cohesive and all that jazz. So what it looks like from the picture that she has under eyebrow highlight. So I'm just going to use my loose powder by Artist Couture and put that up there once I find a good brush. I'm just going to take any type of brush and put that up there. Maybe I shouldn't use a loose powder. It's very subtle. It's like a subtle highlight. And I think I just overdid it. I'm in such good spirits right now. It's like I don't know. Like, I was kind of feeling down for the past like I guess week and a half, and as soon as I pull out the camera, I just feel better. Like, I don't understand it. I just feel so good that I'm back on YouTube, because I was just feeling so down, and as soon as I'm recording, I just feel so happy. I don't know, it's weird. So she has a wing, so I'm gonna do a wing. It's like a simple wing. It's not really something too much, so I'm going to do that. I keep forgetting that you guys are watching me. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna hold the thing like this, okay? That's simple enough. Yep. So now she has like a blue shadow on her waterline, not on her waterline, but underneath her eye. So what I'm gonna do is find the closest blue I can to that, and I think I established that it wasn't this one, it was this one. Okay, so it was this blue right here that I'm going to use underneath. Matter of fact, I can look in this thing right here. I think that's all I'm gonna do for this eye, and do the other side, and then I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, we're back. Now I finished up my eyes. Now I'm going to try to do the same lip. I don't have a purple, just like Alissa's, but I'm gonna try to do my best to mimic it. So we're gonna see. I can't find my freaking purple lip liner. It's a daggone MAC lip liner. So what I'm going to have to do is just use my brown pencil. So I'm just gonna line my lips with my brown liner. Hopefully it doesn't screw up the color too much. Okay, now that that's on there, I'm gonna take this MAC lipstick that I haven't used in forever, Instigator. I haven't used this in forever, and I'm just going to put that on my lips. Now I noticed in the center of her lips, she has like a lighter tinted lipstick. So I'm gonna mix it with something else. And look, I'm all over the place today. So I'm going to take this. I have no idea what type of lipstick this is. I've had it for a minute. So we're just gonna place that in the center. Then I'm gonna take this gloss by Kiss in the color Bailey's Vanilla. Place it in the center. I'm gonna clean this lip up because it's kind of janky right now with some concealer. So I'm gonna take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, clean it up around my lip. I mean, sort of, kinda. So I'm gonna do my edges and fix my hair, and then I'll come back. So this is the final look of the recreated photo of Alissa, and I hope I made you proud, Alissa girl. I tried, okay? So this is it, and I thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned, because I will be more proactive and active on my channel. I promise. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.